Hey, welcome into the channel everyone. If you're new here, my name's Kelsey. Channel's Dry Fight Capture because that's generally what we like to do here. And so this morning I have driven down to the Hocking Hills region. We are actually going to hike the Gorge Trail at Conkles Hollow. I've been here before, so I know that there's a little waterfall at the end. But I'm pretty excited because I do believe this will be a first for the channel, and so I can't wait. We're gonna get out there and try to make some photos out there. Hopefully the water's flowing enough. If at any point throughout the video you like what you see, make sure you let me know by giving me a thumbs up, commenting down below, and if you're digging it, and you're not subscribed already, make sure you subscribe so you can join along on future journeys. Alright, well that is going to be it from Conkles Hollow. I'm actually going to skip the cave that I mentioned earlier because I don't remember how to get there, and I know it's a little off the beaten path, but I don't remember exactly how to get there, and I don't have enough time to risk it and just wander around and figure it out. I know how to get to the trailhead, but not to the actual cave, so I'm going to skip that. There's actually this little metro park nearby that I have had pinned on my map for like a long time, and I cannot remember why I have it pinned. So I'm actually going to cruise through there real quick and see if I can trigger a memory to indicate why I have this thing saved. So I do not recall this being it, but as I was driving through the park, I actually saw this little waterfall that's basically roadside, so I decided to hop out and at least go check it out. Like I said, I don't think it's it, but it looks very cool. So that's a pretty neat little place, especially for being just like right along the roadside here. Like, it's really only maybe a couple hundred feet from the road here. Pretty neat, not a lot to it, but you know, I dig it, and I'm gonna keep cruising through the park, see if I can see anything else that may have been what I pinned this park for. I mean, it's possible it was that waterfall. I'm not sure, can't remember. Alright, well that is going to be it for the video. I didn't find anything else in that park that triggered what it might have been, so I actually am leaning towards it probably was that waterfall. So I'm glad I found it, and even if that's not the place, I'm gonna tell myself that it is. But yeah, it was cool. I mean, there really wasn't much to it. It wasn't big or anything, but it was pretty neat, especially like I mentioned, for being right alongside the road. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video, so hope you guys enjoyed it. Like I said in the beginning, if you did, make sure you let me know in the comments. Also, if there's anywhere you think I need to check out that would make for a good video, let me know as well. But yeah, I'll see you guys next Saturday. See you.